Hey guys, welcome to a sword tutorial showing you how to get rid of the navigation sounds on your fire stick. Yeah, you know what I mean. Every time you press a button, the sound comes up. I mean, in my opinion, that's really annoying, and you may find it annoying. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that. Okay, so from your home screen, so slide over to the gear icon, go to display and audio, go to audio, and the top one's navigation sounds. You want to turn this off, and then you hear absolutely nothing. So every time you press a button now, you won't hear a sound. Folks, I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more sword tutorials.